Hi, today I'm for the UleFone Armor 17 Pro and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So just to do that, we should hold the application and drag this up to another one by this way. And as you can see, we just successfully created the new home screen folder. Just to add here more applications, we can make it by the same way, just by press hold and drag it to our folder, or also by click open the folder and click here to this plus icon. So here we can see our applications. Just let's add them, tap to OK, and that's it. If you want to give a name or rename it, just tap once on the name and enter the apps. Tap to OK, and that's it. To move it here on the screen or between the screens, hold the folder and drag it. To remove the application from the home screen, you should just hold it and drag it to the home screen to stay with this application on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the folder and from the home screen, hold it and tap to remove icon. Also, just to remove the folder, we should remove all of the applications from here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.